The Kærtor Foundation and the Scientific Foundation of the Spanish Association Against Cancer, in collaboration with the Galician Innovation Agency, GAIN, Janssen, Johnson & Johnson and Lilly joined forces to create the CancerInnova program, the first initiative of the business factory medicines of the government of Galicia. The CancerInnova program will carry out the application of the most disruptive research of the highest scientific quality on cancer, with the vocation of reaching a proof of concept in humans through research planned by milestones. CancerInnova is aimed at all research personnel specialized in disease mechanisms, whether they belong to a public, private or biotechnology company that wants to apply their research to drug discovery. Participate in the CancerInnova program by sending your expression of interest through the web www.cancerinnova.com. Submit your expression of interest in just 3 steps. First, download and fill in the expression of interest PDF form. Second, upload the PDF form through the online questionnaire. Third, you will receive confirmation of receipt at your email address. In case your project is selected, we will contact you to agree on the collaboration. CancerInnova, towards innovation in cancer.